Hey guys, welcome in the video of Solidworks basic tutorial by Wise Man. So we are going to see that how can you use draft option available in Solidworks. So let's start making a sketch first of all. And as you know, the draft can be used to create some inward slope or outward slope. So let's first make some rectangle with dimension of 80 mm and 160 mm. And now what we can do, there are two ways to make a draft. The first of it is that you can extrude this rectangle at some depth which you want, and then there is an option draft on and off. You click on this and you can give an angle like this, 30 degrees, and whatever angle you want to give. So I'm going to give it 30 degrees, and you can make inward draft like this. So that's the inward draft. So now what you can do, another option is that for making draft, so let's undo this, and the another option is that suppose you have extruded the rectangle but you haven't used this option. So if we have some part which is like this and we want to make an inward draft as if it is real, for that we have this draft option. So you have to select here, you have to give angle, you have to give neutral plane is this, you have to give the faces. So the faces are these four faces, and then if you click on this you can get your draft, the same as the previous one. So both the options of making draft are available in Solidworks. You can use that or this for making draft. So these are the inward draft. Again, let's undo this and let's make the outward draft again with this option. So if you again click on this draft option here, you select the neutral plane, click the faces, now if you change the direction you can get the outward draft like this. Okay, so that's the outward draft. Now let's again undo this and use the main option from extrude boss or base. So we have activated this, click on this, we will look for draft outwards and click this. So I have used that draft outward in this. So you can use either this option, either that option for making outward or draft. So that's the for a draft option in Solidworks. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video.